Hey guys, what's going on? Today is just like an update. Number one, brakes are fixed. Got a new line in. I can't really do that. But yeah, and the reason I haven't been posting is because she blew up. Or he actually. Boy, it's a boy. He blew up. As you can see, that's from all my oil burning. And yeah, I mean, that was gonna be any type of long video, but yeah, he blew up. Good thing is my pistons and everything else I need are ordered. Brother might be riding. You can't really see his dirt bike, but he might be riding with me. His bike's right there. We are going up to ride in like the mountains and woods again, I think soon, whenever my bike's fixed, but yeah. That's really about it. This isn't that long of a video, but other than he blew up and my brakes are fixed, so yeah, until next time, peace.